In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly change the country and language settings on eBay using Google. This quick and easy guide will help you tailor your shopping experience to your preferred language and region, ensuring you can browse and purchase items with ease. Whether you're traveling, relocating, or simply prefer a different setting, these instructions will guide you through the process step by step. To begin, let's open up your preferred web browser and make your way to the eBay homepage. You can easily do this by typing www.getebay.com into your browser search bar and hitting enter. Once the page has loaded, you'll find yourself on eBay's vibrant homepage filled with deals, categories, and promotions that cater to a variety of interests. Now that you're on the main page, the next step is to navigate to your profile. You'll typically find this along the top right corner of the page. Look for your username or an icon that allows you to access your account information. It might be represented by a silhouette or your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the Account Settings option. This section is your go-to hub for managing various aspects of your eBay account. It's like your personal dashboard for all things related to your eBay activity, from orders and payments to shipping and communication preferences. As you arrive at the Account Settings page, take a moment to scroll down to the very bottom. Here, you'll see a section labeled eBay Sites. This section is crucial because it shows you the current country or region setting for your eBay account. The interface is designed to display this information clearly, ensuring you know exactly what settings you're working with. If you're looking to switch your settings, this is where you can do so. Clicking on the country or region link will present you with a list of available options. Simply choose the one that matches the region or language you prefer. By selecting a different country, the system will automatically update the language settings to align with the new selection. This change ensures a seamless browsing experience tailored to your needs. And just like that, you're done. The settings you've chosen will be applied instantly, providing you with an eBay experience that feels right at home, no matter where you are in the world. With these new settings, your interface, communications, and notifications will be displayed in the language and format that you prefer. So, there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly adapt your eBay account to fit your regional and language preferences, enhancing your overall user experience. Keep this guide handy for any future adjustments, and enjoy shopping with ease and comfort. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shopping.